Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create WordPress website with Infinityfree. So let's get started. But before we go further, let me tell you about Infinityfree. That Infinityfree is a free web hosting service that offers unlimited hosting with no time limit and no limit on the number of websites you can host. It provides 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, 400 MySQL databases, free DNS service, free SSL certificates, and there's so much that it provides you. So you can see this is a lot they are providing, and obviously you will see some ads over here because obviously they are providing so much free stuff over here. They have to generate some money, right? And this is how they do it. But what you can do, just click on register and start registering. It's very easy. Just use your email or go for the Gmail account. It's very easy. So I have already logged in, and I'm just going to click on login and click on sign in. It's very easy. Once you sign in, you will end up over here. This is where you will see all the accounts you are hosting right now. I have none over here, but we are going to create one. What you can do, just click on create account over here, and here you can see some plans over here. And what we are going to use is also this one, Infinityfree, the first one. And obviously we don't have cPanel control panel over here. We don't have unlimited hits. We don't have PHP mail support or version selection. Full DNS management is not supported. But there's a lot of stuff which they are not providing us in $0, obviously. But there are some premium plans, and those are not bad also. So as you can see, $1, $2, $3. So you get the idea. So but we are going for the first one, obviously. Just click on create now. And here you are going to use your custom domain or subdomain. So I'm going with this one because obviously this is the tutorial which I'm going to show you right now. And after that, check the availability. Obviously, once you check the availability, you can see this is the password which I have. And this is where you will see the account label, and your username would be automatically generated. After that, just click on create account. And as you can see, once you click on create account, you will end up over here. Just click on open control panel if you can, and this will ask you for you to approve this. I'm going to approve it, wait for it, and you will end up over here in the cPanel. Obviously cPanel is available over here, like even though they said they are not going to give us the access, but not all the access we have. There are some minor access obviously we can have. Right now what you need to do is just go down and find software, click on software clears apps installer. Once you click on that, it will open up a new window, and wait for a while. It might take some time. And here we are. Here you are going to install WordPress from over here. Just click on this, and here you will find install now button. Just click on this one, and now what you're going to do, you are going to choose your website URL, and obviously a version you are going to use, your site name, admin username, and password obviously. So I'm going to set this up real quick. So once you fill your whole information above, at the bottom you will find the themes. So you can choose any theme from over here for the starting point, right? You can also click on show all themes, but for this tutorial I'm going with this one. And once you click on this, this is the demo, and you can even scroll down and switch pages if you want. I'm going to select this theme, and I'm going to say yes, click on install now. And after that, obviously it would take some time. And as you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And this is your website, and this is your WordPress admin URL over here. So make sure to save both of these, and you can start working on your new website. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to use or create WordPress website with Infinityfree. As you can see, we have created a website in just few minutes. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.